Hey y'all. So something new here that we've never done before. It is on Google Classroom, but this is called a discussion board. We've never used it before because we have the discussions in the class. Without that as an option, I'm going to do the next best thing. We have the online discussion boards. So you'll see it has a little question mark here, and in it, I just ask a question here at the top, and you're going to answer on the discussion board. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm logged in as my wife here, and she's a student in my one of my other Google Classrooms here. And so what you'll do is you come in here and you're just going to add a class comment. This is the test. Hit the little mail here, send that in. If I go back, I'm going to switch to classrooms here. You'll be able to see this is kind of what it'll look like for you as well. You'll see all the class comments from everybody, not just yours, but from everybody here. And then when you are required, you can reply to those comments. Hey, this is a great test. See what I'm saying? Reply, and it'll pop up there that it's reply to whoever you're replying to. And this is going to be a great way for us to have discussions as a class, kind of break through content and figure out questions together. This first one is going to be how has the coronavirus affected you and your family? Get that done sometime this week before the video you'll need to record at the end of the week.